Hey, yo, welcome back. This is Ty Ty. We got a little special episode today. We're going to do a little shootout. As you can see in the thumbnail, we got the U87 versus the GA8000, which is supposed to be the closest out-the-box replica of a Sony C800. Yes, they are two different mics, but I want to put into perspective the different types of sound that you can get from two different mics with two different characteristics. You know, a lot of clones, a lot of replicas, they're based off of one or the other, you know what I mean? Tons of U87 clones, a bunch of brighter end mics that are trying to come close to this. But I want to go ahead and do it over a couple different pieces of material, and then we'll really kind of analyze the differences between the two. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. Baby, you're down to earth. I think I'm going berserk. I can't even feel my face. I know what you want from me, but I can't bring it to you. I know what you want me to say, but I can't say it to you, cause none of it's real. I've been popping these pills, give me something to feel. I need me a drink, so baby just chill. I'm stacking this money, it's breaking your heart. I know that we done, baby. Oh. Alright, so we got our two takes here. The top one is going to be the GA8000. The bottom one is the U87. So let's go ahead, no effects other than auto tune and a little EQ, which is going to be the same on both. Alright, so first let's take a listen to the GA8000. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. Baby, you're down to earth. I think I'm going berserk. The U87. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. Baby, you're down to earth. I definitely get what people are saying now, talking about the Sony. It sounds finished. That little bit of high end just really cuts through. Let's see, just by itself. That's kind of the main difference between these two mics is the 8000 or the Sony C800. It's definitely got a nice higher end on it, and it's not quite as thick and saturated. It's very, very clean sounding. So let's go ahead one time without the beat. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. U87. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. So definitely, depending on the sound that you're going for, you could really capture it with either one of these mics. All right, so before we switch over to something that's a little more rappy, let's go ahead and we'll just toggle back and forth, starting with the 8000. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. You're down to earth. I think I'm going berserk. I can't even feel my face. I know what you want from me. I know what you want me to say, but I can't say it to you. Real. I've been popping these pills, give me something to feel. I need me a drink, so baby just chill. So if you pay attention really closely too, I kind of feel like the 8000, the auto tune with that little higher end, granted you could do it with the U87 just with an EQ, but that little boost in the high end, there's something with the detail of that where the auto-tune just is very, very smooth. Let's check this out. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. One more time here, the U87. Baby, you're down to earth. I just been lost on the surf. I think I'm starting to lose faith. To me, the 8000 just sounds a little bit smoother, definitely on the high end. Alright, so we got another one here. This one's going to be a little more rappy. Let's see here. And as you can see, too, the only thing we got on the processing is an 1176 into an LA2A. But if anything, we know that makes it sound good. Let's go ahead and see here. I like to perform with a little bit of reverb, a little bit of delay. Let's catch that vibe a little bit, but let's see. Hey. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. She wanna fuck me in the club, so I claimed it. I got my stick on me now, bitch, I'm hated. 150 racks, still rockin' fake Prada. Baby, on the plug, on my homies called a Don daughter. You wanna beat the case, you know I'm willing to die for it. And if I catch you snitching, baby, you meet my Glock 40. Spazzing in this bitch, you wanna roll the dice. Seen the pocket watching bitches, and I know they pockets light. I think bitches in the kitchen, mixing Molly with the Sprite. And I'd rather nut, ain't no pillow talking. I've been trapping out in Europe, shawty Vietnamese. Every time I touch down country, shawty enemy. Ain't no time, I blew it. All right, so we got 2 takes here. Let's go ahead and start, same order. It'll be the C800 on top. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. She wanna fuck me in the club, so I claimed it. I got my stick on me now, bitch, I'm hated. 150 racks, still rockin' fake Prada. Baby, on the plug, on my homies called a Don daughter. Let's see here with the U87. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. She wanna fuck me in the club, so I claimed it. I got my stick on me now, bitch, I'm hated. 150 racks, still rockin' fake Prada. Baby, on the plug, on my homies called a Don daughter. So they definitely, in my opinion, so far, they sound a little more similar, like this. So let's just solo it out, U87 first. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. C800. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. She wanna fuck me in the club, so I claimed it. I got my stick on me now, bitch, I'm hated. 150 racks still. It's definitely brighter. I kinda like the deeper tone. Let me turn this auto tune off. Kind of like the tone of the U87 on this being a little more aggressive. I guess that's maybe a personal taste. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. I've been running with my amigos on some gang shit. I can't talk about a bitch, I make her famous. She wanna fuck me in the club, so I claimed it. I got my stick on me now, bitch, I'm hated. But yo, at the end of the day, you can make up your own mind with the characteristics that you think would sit best with your vocals. Personally, I feel extremely blessed to be able to own both of these tools, because really, that's what they are. They're tools. And you know, you can do more with less. You can do about the same with more, you know. It just kind of depends on your budget, what you're going for. But I can't say that you go wrong with either one of these mics. I'm really liking the GA. I ain't gonna lie. U87 was my dream mic. Wanted it, and it ain't going nowhere. But I do know on like more singy stuff, it seems like the mids aren't quite as present, and it allows me to take some of this rasp out of my voice and just kind of smooth things out, in a nice way. But like more aggressive, I might lean more towards the U87. So time will tell depending which one I'm going to lean towards most. But I love both, and I'm probably going to use both. But yo, leave me some comments below on which one's your favorite, and let me know what you're recording with. I'm going to catch y'all next week. Peace.